Hello everyone, how to Totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your birthday date and on your Instagram account. So I'm just going to tap on my Instagram account. So you need to tap on your Instagram application, and after that here you'll see it's your profile picture, the right bottom corner of your screen, and again tap here the three line. Okay, the right top on your screen. Then tap here the settings and privacy, and you can see the first option account center. Then here we'll get a couple of options. So what you need to do, you need to tap here personal details, and you can see the second option birthday. Simply tap here, then tap the edit. Then you can choose your birthday here, like the first option it's the month, which month you born, and then the date, and the last one is a birthday. So you have to choose. After that you have to set the press the site, then your birthday will be changed. So friend, today's no more, and thank you for watching.